Hello everyone, I hope you're having a good day. We're out here barbecuing some chicken on a can, as we call it. It's on a Coca-Cola can. And we're getting ready to baste it. I have some of this butter and herbs, and we're just getting started on it. So he put some olive oil on it and some herbs on it before we put it out here, and he has it on this cookie sheet so it doesn't drip and catch on fire, and it's got the little temperature thing in it. We're just out here trying to have a good time on this Sunday, relaxing. We started here. The temperature has to be at 165 before it's done, and he has it on the temperature, and the barbecue is at 350 for about an hour and a half. And we're just getting started here, so it's not up to temperature yet. I guess the Coca-Cola can, you just open it up and you put the chicken on top, and he put herbs on the inside of it, and it causes the moisture to go up into the chicken, so it's nice and moist, keeps it moist. You know it's going to be good. I'm going to actually take the chicken breast off of this and make some little street tacos with the chicken breast a little bit later when it gets done. But I hope you guys all have a good day today, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.